Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use this number box right here, this alignment box, this font box, and a little bit of this clipboard box. Let's start off with number. So, remember these right here are values of money. They should have a dollar sign in front of them. So if you go to number, click this right here. Boom. Look at that. Look how easy that was. There's a couple of ways to display money. There's currency. There's accounting. So currency, it doesn't have a gap between the money and the dollar sign. Accounting does have a gap. People tend to like accounting better than currency. So stick with accounting. So now let's use percentage, right? How percentage works is that it will take the decimal place wherever it is and it'll move it over twice and make a percentage sign. Say at 50%. Let's say if it was 45.6. You do the same thing, so it's going to be 4,560%. Right? Now we got this comma. Notice how this number right here doesn't have any commas. Go ahead and click comma. And yeah, there it is. And let's say you don't want this you don't want these two numbers at the end, these two zeros. Just go ahead and click this right here. There we go. You got rid of the zeros. Or let's say you do want some zeros. Go ahead and click this one. Now you got your zeros. Okay. That's the basics of the number. Now let's move over to alignment. Let's say right here. Notice how half of this cell kind of just disappears, half of the text in this cell. Okay? What you can do is, yeah, you can drag this across, but let's say you want these relatively the same size, these cells right here. What you can do is highlight, wrap text. What wrap text does is that it'll stack the text on each other. So it shows the whole text, but it'll stack on each other without widening the cell. Now let's so highlight it. Let's make this in the center of their individual cells. So these right here, these control the vertical position of the cell, the text. So this right here is the very top, very bottom, center. Let's pick center. These right here control the horizontal positions. There's left, right, and center. Let's pick center. Okay. And merge and center, you should know how it works. So if we highlight this, merge and center, there we go. And so right now, let's make this bigger. Let's move on to the font. Yeah, you can make this bigger using that, or you use these right here. You can just make it bigger, smaller, incrementally, so you don't have to choose a specific number. I'll make it 18. Of course, this is the font. This makes whatever is in the cell bold, italicized, and underlined. Let's make this bold. Okay, and this right here are borders. So you notice how right here there's really nothing underneath the cell, but you click right here, bottom border. Oops, not that. Click bottom border. You got a bottom border. And you can actually do multiple borders, by the way. You can actually click right border. There we go. Well, let's say you don't want the borders anymore. Go ahead, that's fine. Go ahead and click down. No borders. There you go, no more borders. Click no more borders right here. Borders. There we go. So now what's the difference between this and this, right? They're both colors. This right here makes the font, changes the font color. Let's make it green. This right here is the whole background. Okay. Let's highlight this. How would I make the whole background red? Okay. Let's change these right here. Alright, let's make it purple. Now, let's say we want to make these and these also purple, right? And accounting, what can we do? The very simple and fast way is to click this right here, go to clipboard, click format painter, highlight this right here. Oops. There we go. So format painter, if you click a cell, it's a certain format. This was accounting and the font is purple. To make whatever other cell also accounting in purple without manually doing it, just go ahead and click format painter. We'll click this first, click format painter, and just highlight whatever you want. Okay. That's it for this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.